Hi, this is Brother Win, and welcome to Life Plan Part 2. In this lesson, we'll go over how to complete the Part 2 of our life plan. Let's begin by reading the instructions. The first thing you need to do is open up your life plan from Lesson 1. When you have that open, you'll need to select the Sheet 2 tab at the bottom of the document to open a new sheet. I will show you how to do that. The next thing you need to do is use the new sheet to complete the assignment. We have two assignments, assignment number 22 and assignment number 24. Or I should say problem number 22 and problem number 24. So let's go in and look at how we do this. I've already completed part of this first assignment here, problem 22. So I'm going to open up a spreadsheet, and again down here is our sheet number 2. If you don't have a sheet number 2, just click on the plus button and it will give you a new sheet. Sheet number 1 should have your life plan from lesson 1. So I've gone ahead and completed the top part of this by putting in time, beginning balance, and ending balance. And the first time that we have is time number 1. Our beginning balance is $350, and if we add that 5% interest at the end of time number 1, we will have $367.50. So let's look how that is done in a spreadsheet. The very first thing you have to do is click on the equal sign. The equal sign tells the computer that you're going to do a calculation. You're going to work with numbers. We take the 350 and times it by, and if you notice the times is not an X, but it's this asterisk. If you hit the shift and then the number 8 at the top of your keyboard, you will receive an asterisk, or you'll get an asterisk, and then we're going to times it by 1.05. The 0.5 here is the 5%. This is the 100%. So 105%. And when we put that in a formula, we come out with this number here. And then we transfer this number over to time number 2. And again, we do the same thing, except we put in the new number. So we go equals 367.5. That's taken from this number here, times it by 1.05. We get a new number. Now this number is a little different. It comes out to 3 decimal places. If you want to change that, you can by using the decimal places over here. So if you want to increase your decimals, you can, or decrease them here. I'm going to decrease them just to go down to 2, so it rounds it up to 0.88. So I'm going to take this number 385, and then I'm going to add the 0.88, and now I have to put my formula in. I come up here, I click on equals, I take the number from down here and put it in here. Now if I click on it, that's an easier way. It's going to take the cell location B4, that's where we're at, B4, and you can times it by the 1.08 or 05, excuse me, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to type it in 385.88, and I'm going to times it. That would be the shift 8. That gives me my asterisk 1.05, and I hit enter. There's my new number. And again, if I don't want, I could use this number if I'd like to, or I could change the decimal down a place here. Let's do one more. I'm going to change the decimal down, and I'm going to transfer this over, and you can also do a copy paste. So I have my new number. That's my new balance, beginning balance on time period 4. I want to see what it will be at the end. Click up here, equals 405.17 times by 1.05, and I hit enter, and again that gives me my new number. So hopefully that helps you with the very first exercise. and problem number 22. Let's pause the video for a second and we'll look at the next one. Okay, let's look at our next problem. And if we scroll down, we're going to do problem 24 for a savings account that begins with $100 and has a 6% interest rate, and to which you add $25 per year. Fill out the following table and place it in sheet number 2 of your life plan spreadsheet. So we'll just drop down a little bit. I've erased the one, but you'll just put it down below. So our time we have here, beginning balance will be 100, and this will be our formula right here. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's go back to our sheet. And again, you'll have yours down in this area. I've erased it. So our beginning balance was $100. Ending balance, that's what we want to find out. How can we get our ending balance? Okay, let me go back here. I jumped around just a little bit. So let's go look at our answer here is 131. I went ahead and did that already, so I have the 131 in here, but this is the formula that you'll use here. So I have equals 100 times 1.06, that's the 6% interest rate, plus 25, and it comes out to 131. So I'm just going to put my 131 over here, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go equals 131 times 1.06 plus 25. So this is my formula here, and I hit enter, and it gives us 163.86. So let's just go back and just check to see if that is the correct answer, if I can get to the right place here. Yeah, 163.86. So go through and do that for each one up to 12 time periods for problem 24, and also 12 time periods for problem 22. So the best of luck with it. Give me an email if you don't have, if it's not making sense. I'll try to help you through it again. And thank you.